Hello everyone, my name is Sami from Erphub. In today's video, I will be showing you how to add and manage users on Zoho Desk. This process doesn't require a lot of time and effort, and it will move you a step closer to using a more scalable, advanced, and budget-friendly help desk option. Let's get started. Once you've gained access to the Zoho Desk system, to create a new agent, click on the setup icon on the top right. Under Users and Controls, select Agents. Over here, you can start the process of creating a new agent and adding them onto your system by clicking on this blue button on the top right. You will then be redirected to the Zoho admin panel page where the system will offer you a few different options. Start off by filling out all the basic information of the agent. Once you've filled out the first name, last name, and email, under Department, you can choose the department where the agent will belong in. Under Roles and Permissions, you can set a role for an agent and give him access to certain permissions within the system. For the agent, you can give him access to all the tickets, their tickets and unassigned tickets, access to their own tickets, team tickets, and unassigned tickets. You can also set their role as an admin so they're given admin privileges. Light agents have only read-only permissions, and you can also set custom roles for your agents. Once you're done filling out all the information, you can click Add Agent to add them onto the system. After adding the agent onto the system, he will appear on this Agents page on Zoho Desk. If you hover over the agent and click on this Edit Pencil icon, you can go back and view all of the information that you had filled out previously. Here you can adjust the status of the agent, you can change the department where he belongs in, and you can also change the roles and permissions of the agent. Once you're done making those changes, you can click on Save. If you would like to delete the agent that you had created, you can click on Back, and this will take you back to the Agents page. Hover over the agent that you would like to delete, click on the trash can icon, and click on Withdraw, and that will remove him from the system. Thank you for watching this short demonstration on how to add and manage your agents on Zoho Desk. With this knowledge, you can start getting tickets from clients and assigning them to your agents. For more information and insights on Zoho, please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you next time.